on, YouTube? How you guys doing today? I'm doing good. Just got off work. Well, I actually got off work like an hour ago. Actually like almost 2 hours ago now, but anyways, it's not the point. But yeah, I was thinking about talking about the R9 today. And oh yeah, don't fry me, I'm not wearing gear. Ooh, look at him, baby. Yeah, I'm not wearing gear, so don't fry me in the comments too bad, because I know I'm gonna get fried probably. I know I should be wearing gear. I hate myself for not wearing gear, but it's just I don't know, it's so nice. I never really ride with just a shirt on, but today I am, so I guess I won't go too crazy. But yeah, so just don't fry me. Feels good out. I just don't want to wear gear or not. But still, I need to get boots yet. Okay, sorry, I'm off topic. Anyways, oh, that's my brother. Hang on. Is he turning around? Should go get him real quick. I'll go meet up with him, and I guess, and ride. Yeah, so I want to talk about the R9 today. And yeah, since it's supposed to be coming out next year, or no, this year I think. Yeah, 2022. Maybe later this year, so. I don't think I'd be getting it, because I want a leader bike, so. But yeah, hang on, I'm gonna go meet up with him real quick, and then we can get to talking. Where did he go, yo? Where in the hell did he go? He told me to turn around. I knew you guys saw that, him do that too. He might be in this development up here, but if not, then I guess we're gonna forget about him. I don't know. He legit disappeared. He goes turn around, then he probably went home. Yeah. Okay. Anyways, I guess whatever. Sorry about that. So yeah, I don't even. Where should I start? If you guys don't know about the R9 yet, Yamaha should be coming out with the R9 later this year. If not later this year, I think early 2023. So if not later this year, I guess early 2023. So yeah, that'll be dope. I'm hyped to see what it looks like and all its specs and shit. But yeah, so it's supposed to be a. So I guess I'll start off. As you know, Yamaha got rid of the R6, my baby, which is part of the reason why I got it, because they're not making it anymore. So, but yeah, they're not making the R6 anymore, and I don't know, the R7 was supposed to replace the R6, which doesn't make any sense because it's only 2 cylinders and it only has 700 cc, so it just doesn't compare to 600 cc inline 4 beast, you know. But yeah, so I think the R9, because right now what does it go from an R3 to an R7, like R3 to an R7 all the way up to an R1, which doesn't really make sense. So I think to fill that gap, they're gonna bring in the R9. So then it'll kind of be R3, R7, R9, then R1. So it kind of makes sense there, because it really, the jump from an R7 to an R1 is just not it right now. Like, I feel that's just too high of a jump. That's going from a bike slower than an R6 all the way up to a leader bike, which just makes no sense. So yeah, traction control off. You guys better get the hang of this, because I do. You know what it means when traction control is coming off. Yeah, and yeah, there you go. All right, and we're out of here. I gotta find a straightaway first. Only if you didn't know, traction control comes off when I do a wheelie. So, but yeah, and it's supposed to be a inline 3, which would be weird. I wonder how it's gonna sound, because it's obviously not a twin cylinder or inline 4. So. Whew. There we go. I like that. a little wheelie, but yeah, so this will be inline 3, and I think it's gonna sound dope. So I wonder how it's gonna make power too. It's gonna make power because like this one right now, literally once you hit 10,000 RPMs, just goes flying. Like it's like you hit a turbo or something. And I heard it's gonna have, I don't know if this is true, I was reading an article, it's gonna have a quick shifter, you know, freaking wheelie control, ABS control, the quick shifter up and down, by the way. It's gonna have an upgraded TFT display, so that's gonna look dope. I mean, it's gonna be either 2022 or 2023, so it's gonna have a lot of technology either way. Is that gate still not locked? Yeah, that's where my shop's at, but so yeah, those are some of the things that I heard it's gonna have on it. Excuse me. And we out of here. Yeah, I've been trying out the kind of like a quick shifter where I don't use the clutch and just shift up. Oh, who's this? Pretty dope. But yeah, I don't know if it's bad for my bike. It just let off the gas and shift up instead of clutching and shifting up, but I don't know. Sorry, I keep going off topic. Anyways, what was I saying? Oh gosh, I always go off topic and forget what I'm saying. It's so bad. But yeah, I think I was saying it's gonna have a lot of technology either way. So as you guys know, I'm pretty sure if you guys know a little bit about bikes, Yamaha has an MT-07, right, which is the naked version of the R7, and as you know, Yamaha has an MT-10, which is the naked version of the R1. So what I'm thinking Yamaha is gonna do is, because as you know, again, Yamaha has an MT-09, so they're gonna make an R9. Basically, just so it would be like an MT-09, but with full fairings. So it'd be like a sport bike. I don't know what else they're gonna have to change and make into a sport bike, like the ECU, the engine and shit, probably, suspension, all that shit. But yeah, so you see where I'm going with it. How they all kind of match the naked and the full fairing sport bikes. What else about the R9? That's pretty much it, I think. I feel like I'm missing something about it. I know I'm gonna go home and then frickin' I'm gonna be like, oh shit, I forgot to mention that in the video. Rush hour, eh? I guess it's only 7 o'clock. Why is there so much traffic? Oh yeah, I guess I am in Greenville. That is pretty busy down here. But yeah, where was I going with the R9? I think that was pretty much it. So I don't know if I said, I think it's gonna be like what's an MT-09? It's gonna be a 900cc or an 899cc bike with 3 cylinders. I said that. So regardless, it'll be an interesting bike. I'm curious to see what it's gonna be like. I hope I can go into a shop, maybe test ride it. That'd be pretty dope. I would like to do that 100%. But you know, we'll see. See what happens. Let's see when it comes out. I really want them to come out with like a new R1 or something to like re-update it. I don't know, because I don't think they did that much when they updated it this year. Let's see what biker we got here. Yes sir. A little Jixer action. I think that's pretty much all that I was going to talk about on the R9. I don't think there's really much more that I know about it. Jixer sounds so good. Should we get on the highway real quick? I don't want to go too crazy on the high because yeah, I'm not wearing gear. Ooh. I'm not sure what, it's not that big of a deal, but I'm not sure what like rear tire it's gonna have on it, because I think my R6 has got a 180 or something. The R1's got a 190, so it'll probably be like a it'll probably be 180 too, to be honest. So yeah, but I think the R9 would be a really good like stepping stone for the R7, or from the R7, or even from any other bike, or yeah, like, so even like from like an Aprilia RS660 or Ninja 650. I think it'll be a really good bike. I feel like it's gonna be around the same speed as this, roughly. I feel like, because it's gonna have it'll have 300 more cc's than this, but it's only gonna have 3 cylinders, and this has 4. So it'll definitely be interesting. We'll have to see. I don't know yet. Yes, sir. Biker community, dude, you can't beat it. You can't beat the biker community. Oh yeah, also, if you guys have questions and shit, leave them in the comments. I'll comment to everyone. Unless, like, you're a dick or something, I don't know. But, like, yeah. I do want to shred this up real quick, but I don't have gear on. But I have my music in, so... See, mom, I can control myself on the bike. But yeah, I think that's gonna pretty much do it for this video. I don't want to be like super long, because I'm not like I don't know too much about the R9 yet, obviously. But yeah, what, does Camaro want to play or what? See, wanna play? See, wanna play? If he goes in the right lane, I think you would. Yes, sir. I could totally, like, just destroy him right now, but I don't want to be an idiot. You gotta ride safe at the same time, you know? Also, if you guys know, like, if you know more shit about the R9, or like when it's gonna come out, or like some of the specs and shit, the details about it, yeah, also type that in the comments for me. Let me know. Give it a thumbs up, baby. Come on. You already know. You guys have been just like, oh, the channel's been growing pretty good, so I'm just gonna keep posting these videos, because I really enjoy editing too. I like looking back on my rides. It's fun. So alright, let's get this dude a flyby, and then I'll head out for you guys. Enjoyed the video, leave a thumbs up, comment down below like always, and subscribe. You don't even need a like or comment. Subscribe, baby. Come on. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Ride safe. Over and out.